guys, what's up? I hope everyone is here and have a snack, have a drink of some kind, whatever. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. Now, granted, I'm just letting you all know, I already unboxed these, but I wanted to do it again, mainly because my video did not save. So I kind of know and remember what is in my boxes or in my bag, but no. But anyway, I'm going to start off with the Ipsy bag. This is the month of August. Super cute bag. It is, I believe, like $29.99 a month. You can do a full annual thing for like $300, and you can do Afterpay it. So I have been thinking about doing it. It just all depends on how I feel about my bags already. I don't know. All right, so first things first, I am going to go in with a Butter. This is a tea tree and aloe mask scrub, which I'm really excited to give this a try. It gives a triple action clay mask, foam cleanser, and deep exfoliator. So I do need to exfoliate. I do have exfoliants. I just haven't done it in a while. I just need to. Next thing is Item Beauty Shake It Balance and Tone Face Mist. So this is supposed to shake well before use. Hold 6 inches away from face. Close your eyes and spray evenly. Apply to even or clean, dry face. So shake it and then spray it all over. This is Dew of the Gods. So I got oh, I'd never even realized that there was a code. But, this is a cleanser, facial cleanser. They've been adding some of these items in these bags, Dew of the Gods stuff, and I mean, that's pretty cool that they're doing that. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, Brow Wiz, which I got shade medium brown. I'm excited to give this a try. I do have the pomade. It's right here. I don't use it as often because, I mean, I've used it a few times, but I just don't use it a whole lot, mainly because I don't like how the wax is, but I think it just all depends on preference. Next thing is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. Have no idea if I have it. I haven't been able to go through my collection to actually really be able to check it. If you guys feel like this is a fast pace, I do apologize. I have already been through this, and I wanted to show you all what I got, but I also, like, I don't know, I don't know. I just didn't want to spend a whole lot of time on it, mainly just because I feel like I've already been through it, which I have. I just haven't, like, I wasn't able to post it because it didn't save on my on anything. I don't know if I like this lip. All right, let's see here. This is, okay, so this is the BoxyCharm base box, and it is $27.99 a month, but I pay for every 3 months. So yeah, every 3 months I get charged. Here is the box. It is Dusk Till Dawn. It's a good, I think it's an okay collection that I got, but yeah, this is the Aesthetics highlighter in Starlight, which is actually a really pretty highlight. I think it's just a whole lot of highlight. I mean, it's really good for that. It's $25. All right, next thing is Basic Beauty, which is a lip liner duo. They're, of course, fall colors, which I'm excited to try out as well. Oh, by the way, I am going to be doing a whole try on with all these products that I got in my subscription. I am going to try it on within, like, I'm hoping within a couple of days if I can, but it just all depends on the time. Alright, this is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette as well. I have no idea if I have this. If I do, I will be putting it in a giveaway, same as that Jubilee palette. I have no idea if I have it or not. I do not remember. I just have to really go through my collection and see if I do. Obviously, I will do a little giveaway, not much, but a little bit. The Natasha Denona palette is $48. I also got clear brow wax, brow mascara, which is $16. Once I'm out of the brow wax or brow mascara through Maybelline, I will probably start using this, but it is also clear, so I'm pretty sure I'm almost out on the brow mascara though. Last thing is my choice item that I did pick out, which is the Glow Recipe. This is the eyes. This is for like under the eyes, which is $42. I don't think I said all the prices, which I do apologize. I was just trying to go through it. But Glow Recipe was $42. Natasha Denona was $48. The Aesthetics Starlight Highlighter was $25. The Queen Studio Bow Down Brow Glue was $16. Basic Beauty, that's a gel lip liner duo, which is $24. So I think I got a pretty good box. I don't know about anyone else or if anyone enjoyed their boxes. If they didn't, I do apologize. I enjoy my boxes. Even if there's like a crappy product, obviously I will be upset about it, but I won't be as upset as anyone else. So yeah. Alright, this is the premium box, which is $39.99 a month. I do pay monthly for this box. So yeah. And I think you get like 6 to 7 items in the box. So here is the card. It is still dusk till dawn on the theme thing. Let me get something to drink here. Okay, I'm a little thirsty. Alright, so this is the Playa Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner, which I'm actually really excited about because I'm actually almost out of the leave-in conditioner that I do have as well. I've been using that one, so I'm excited to get this one started whenever I'm fully out on that one. This is $24, which I think is a pretty good deal. Some of the places that I do try to get my hair conditioner or my leave-in conditioners, they're a lot more expensive, so I think this is nice that it's in there. Alpha, I don't know what that is, but it is a balancing cleanser, which is also really nice because I mean I really need to keep up with my my skincare. But it is $36. This is a nice tube for just the amount of money that it values. I don't know. The next thing is Tresluce Beauty, which is I forget what it is. This is a metallic liquid eyeshadow. I'm not the biggest fan of their products. I got a lip balm in the previous box and I did not like it. Like it no. But here it is. It's $16. Now the pigmentation I think is really nice. Or I mean, like the color of it, it looks really pretty. I do like it. I just think it's I don't know, it's not my favorite makeup product. Next thing is the Ofra Cosmetics. This is their signature palettes in Symphony, which I think is a really pretty palette. Like, whoops, look at that. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I'm excited to definitely give this a try as well. But yeah, like within this week and stuff, I will be going through all these products. I can't just use all of them in one whole video, which, I mean, understandably, I mean, there's a lot in there, but this is $34. The next thing is Cat Berkey, which is $90. My contacts are like, I don't know. But this is an under eye as well. This is an Nutrient C eye cream, which seems to be really nice, but it's just insane that it's $90. So I hope I really don't like it. And then the last thing is Lawless. This is a Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, which is actually really interesting. I've never tried their items before, but I have been really interested in it. This is what the doe foot looks like. I think that's really interesting. But yeah, I'm excited to give a lot of this stuff a try. Lawless is $25. Oh, and then this, I don't know if I said the price, but it's $90. I was wondering why it got so dark. But yeah, so far this box is actually not that bad. So again, the Ofra Cosmetics signature palette is $34. The Cat Berkey, which is the Nutrient C eye cream, which is $90. The Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss is $25. The Playa Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner is $24. Alpha, the Balancing Cleanser, is $36. The Treloose Beauty Forever Brilliant Metallic Liquid Shadow is $16. So all in all, I think I got a pretty good balance of my box. I enjoy that. Like, I enjoy all those products. Alright, next thing is the Lorella Subscription Box. And you can, it is, what is it called? It is $29.99 a month. Of course, you can do 6 months, you can do 12 months. Eventually, whenever I get enough money, obviously, I will do the full 12 months. I think it's actually really worth it, in my opinion. I enjoy this box a lot. Every month you get a palette, and this month the CEO has actually picked out this this palette, or picked out the collection, his favorite items. Not that he uses it, I have no idea. But yeah, like, it gives you the prices and the total value of the box. All right, so first things first, I got the matte setting mist, which is actually not that bad. It is $16. I think it's actually a really nice mist as well. I keep on like biting my tongue. It's a fine mist. You guys are not gonna see that, my bad. But okay, so it's a pretty good mist. I would definitely recommend getting this. All right. Next, oh, here it is. All right, so I actually got a double. So this is the Liquid Shadow. This is mine. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a gold bronzy shade, I think. This shade is called Drip. I do have it, like I said. So I am going to be putting this in a giveaway as well. When I do a giveaway, that's going to be in there. I do have some other items as well. So the I got some extras in here, I think. Yeah, I got some extras. Oh well. Anyway, but yeah, that Liquid Shadow is going to be in there. I got 2 brushes, which is $14 each. This one seems to be good to do like your under eyes. This one could be highlight. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. Next is the liquid liner. Their liquid liners are so nice. I don't normally use a lot of liquid liners, but this one I do. I sometimes use Shake It. But yeah, it's so good. Oh, it looks like this. The liquid liner eyeliner is $10. All right, liquid lip, which is not on here, but it's a really pretty like shade. I really like it. It's called Rose. It's a really pretty shade. I really like that. Next thing is As If. This is one of their glosses. It's a really pretty like right there. Don't really have a smell. It's okay. That was also not in here. I have no idea. Honestly, this never really happens. I don't normally get extra items in my subscription box, which I'm totally okay with. It's just, it's kind of weird, kind of throws me off. But also, the mini little beauty blenders with the soap, which is $8. Yeah, really nice. All right, next is the Make-A-Wish eyeshadow palette. This actually kind of reminds me of whenever they collabed with Bianca, but Bianca has a little bit of a warmer tone eyeshadow palette. So this one is actually really nice, I think. Very pretty, very neutral. Definitely excited to give this a try as well. This palette is going to retail for $21. Next month, this palette will be on their website and for sale individually. So this is really nice to have. All right, all in all, this box is $69 retail, but like I said, there are some items that are not on the card, but they added. I have gone on their lives on Facebook, and I think they usually go live on like Fridays or something. I don't know. I don't remember, but they seem really nice. Very like, I don't know. It's hard to explain. Look at that liner. It literally like it's in place. Oh, there we go, finally. But I think you guys would like a lot of the subscriptions. I do not have a code for it, unfortunately, but I am excited. I do love their subscription. I hope one of these days, I mean, maybe, but I doubt it. I mean, I will work my ass off and I will try. So I'm hoping I can give some of that stuff a try. All right, so if you guys do not mind, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys do like this unboxing. I'm sorry that it was a little bit of a fast pace, but yeah, I did not mean to, like, for whatever reason, it did not save my stuff. So yeah, I was upset about that. So yeah, I was so upset. All right, you guys, I will hop off here. I have another unboxing that I'm going to do separately, and I'm excited to show you all. All right, bye guys.